Take a ride in the 2023 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.